clean the hard disk or to format the hard disk, or anyway how to delete the files from the hard disk or formatting the hard disk. So it is very simple process using command promote cmd. So let's begin. So first of all, open the command promote. After that, type disk part. Type disk part. Then enter it. So I allow it. Now this part. Now type list disk. Now enter. Now your disk is hard disk is disk 0 online size 232 GB free. Now select disk 0. After that, disk 0 is now selected. Now after that you need to type CLEA. Okay, now after typing this you need to enter. You need to press enter. After that you need to press the enter key. After that press the enter key. So now I will not press because I don't want to clean my hard disk. So if you want to clean, then type here clean and press enter, then your hard disk will be clean and format. So thank you.